Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. And today we're at London Heathrow Airport and we're going to be filming something quite historic here. So we have the first ever Virgin Atlantic A330Neo that's going to be landing into Heathrow. So basically it's delivery flight or inaugural flight, whichever you prefer. But yeah guys, we travelled all the way down from Manchester especially for this. So we're going to get two angles of it as well, one overhead and one by me with a camcorder which is side on. But yeah guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and enjoy.